Shirley Bovshow, EdenMaker, and today's tip for Earth Day is pre-composting. One of the ways you can speed up that composting process is if you cut up your greens and your browns, your carbon-rich material, which are your browns, and your green, which is your nitrogen-rich material. I want to compost this lettuce. Have you ever seen a machine like this? It's really cool. Take a look. It's got, come on in here. It's got some very sharp cutters, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and take a look at how I'm going to make this nice and small. And so this is called pre-composting, and so it really just speeds up the process. And take a look at what we got. Now when you add this to your compost pile, it's already chopped up and ready to burn, baby, burn, because you know that's what it's going to happen in that compost pile. It gets really hot. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great Earth Week. We all love what we're doing here when we are composting, when we're doing things that are good for our environment. Happy Earth Day, friends. Bye.